Good morning, Jennifer Seymour with Ely Goud Hardy Architects, and here with me today is Miss Betty Jones from Jackson Public Schools. We're here for bid number 3227, the restroom and HVAC upgrades for Green Lake and Walton Elementary School. We have two hard bids and one online bid. We'll begin with the online bid from Mills Contracting. Their certificate of responsibility number 24474-MC. Their bid bond at 5% from the Hanover Insurance Company. They're a resident contractor. They acknowledge the receipt of both addendum 1 and 2. Their base bid lump sum price $243,000. 243000. Bid alternate number 1 for staff restrooms at Walton is $57,000, 57000. Bid alternate number 2 for drinking fountains at Walton is $33,500, 33500. Bid alternate number 3 for mechanical renovations at Green Elementary is $103,000, 103000. Bid alternate number 4, mechanical renovations at Lake, $142,000, 142000. Bid alternate number 5, mechanical renovations at Walton, $78,000, 78000. For contract time, base bid is 450 days. Bid alternates 1 through 5 or 0 additional days. They have a copy of their bid bond included. They have a copy of their certificate of debarment included, and they have a copy of their non-collusion affidavit included, and they also have their email correspondence to minority and small businesses in the state. The second bid we have is from U.S. Coating Specialties and Supplies, LLC. Their certificate of responsibility number is 11881-SC. They include 3 copies of their proposal form. Their bid bond is from South Group Insurance Service. They're a resident contractor. They acknowledge the receipt of addendum 1 and 2. Their base bid lump sum price $295,922, 295922. Bid alternate number 1, staff restrooms at Walton, $41,909, 41909. Bid alternate number 2, drinking fountains at Walton, $15,465, 15465. Bid alternate 3, mechanical renovations at Green, $49,000, 49000. Bid alternate number 4, Lake Elementary mechanical renovations, $59,115, 59115. Bid alternate number 5, mechanical renovations at Walton, $34,747, 34747. Contract time is 132 days. No additional days are shown for bid alternate 1 through 5. They include the schedule of bid alternates page. They include their certificate of debarment, their non-collusion affidavit form, a resume for their superintendent, and that concludes their bid. The next bid is from Luckin Construction LLC. Their certificate of responsibility number is ML 22327. They include a copy of Addendum 2, their resident contractor. They acknowledge the receipt of Addendum 1 and 2. Their base bid lump sum price is $149,604, 149,604. Bid alternate number 1, staff restrooms at Walton, is $49,140, 49140, comma 00 is what this says, but bid alternate number 2, Walton Elementary drinking fountains, $14,068, 14068. Bid alternate number 3, Green Elementary mechanical renovations, $56,140, 56140. Bid alternate number 4, mechanical renovations at Lake, $89,160, 89160. Bid alternate number 5, mechanical renovations at Walton, $49,175, 49175. Contract time is 150 days for base bid. Bid alternate 1 through bid alternate 5 is all an additional 14 days each. They also include a copy of the alternate section. They do not include a copy of a bid bond. And that concludes all bids that we received for bid number 3227, restroom and HVAC upgrades for Green Lake and Walton Elementary. Thank you.